Guys, so today my video is on my shopping haul at Spencer Plaza. So let's get inside and see what are the products that I got from there and also with the price. So this pant I got for myself. So this is basically for my yoga. So it's kind of a stretchable cotton pant. So you can just see. So stretchable cotton pants, and it has some designs also here. So this cost around 250 rupees, and it is kind of a stretchable one, so you can just see how stretchable it is. And of course it's a cotton material. So this one I got for myself, and I have one more pant which I got for my yoga. So this is another one, you just see. So this is again a cotton pant, okay, cotton stretchable pant for your exercise. I got for my yoga. So you can use it for gym or anywhere you're going, like jogging or normal pants also. I feel you can use this. It's a stretchable cotton pant, and both these pants are around 250 rupees. So very cheap, very reasonable for a good cotton pants. Definitely 250 is a reasonable price. Then I got few night pants for myself. So you can just see it's a 3/4 pant and a cotton pant, a loose cotton pant. So you can just see the material and the design. It's a soft material, and also they have a knot here at the end. So it's kind of a knot which you can put, and an elastic. This cost rupees 150 only, and I have one more. So this is the next one which I have got. This again is also kind of 3/4 kind of pant. So you can just see. Okay, so it is almost like a pant, palazzo kind of thing. And again, this is also a cotton pant. You can see the design. Okay, so here it again has a stretchable elastic, and this again is also 150 rupees. Getting two cotton pants 150 each is definitely a reasonable price. Outside this would definitely cost at least say 300 to 400 rupees minimum. So again, this is one of the loot which I have got from Spencer's. Then I got two t-shirts. So you can just see this t-shirt. It's kind of a night wear, or you can wear it for exercise as well, or night wear. Really good material. So you can just see a thin cotton material. Okay, so the color is also really good, and this was rupees 100 only. So I just loved it and I took it. And of course, for 100 rupees it's really difficult for us to get a good t-shirt, and it's pretty long as well. So you can just see this one also. It's kind of a nightwear. I would prefer going for a nightwear. So this is again 100 rupees. Good cotton material. You can just see the cotton material, and 100 rupees each. I got this, and definitely a loot, right? Then I got a denim pinafore. So this is not for me, for another person, one of my friend. So this cost, if you're going to shop, it costs somewhere around like say 1000 rupees. But this one, I just show you the tag. This price is, maybe I'm not sure whether it is visible. Okay, 1299 rupees actually the price is. Okay, so but I bargained and got this for just 500 rupees. So this denim pinafore dress is just 500 rupees. If you're good at bargaining, definitely you can try here, and they will definitely give it if it is reasonable. So I got this for 500. Of course, if you're going outside and going to get this, it will somewhere cross more than 1000 definitely. And this I got a loot again. Then we bought few clothes for my husband, and this is one of them. So these are the pants which he wanted to buy. Okay, so these pants, these are joggers. So you can just see these are joggers, and the material you should see, it's like soft cotton. Okay, and a stretchable elastic they have, and a knot, of course, knot here. Okay, so this one was just around 250 rupees. Okay, so if you are going to buy this outside, I think 250 to 300, somewhere around 250 to 300. If you're going to buy this outside, definitely this would cost around 1000 rupees, not less than 1000, definitely. And we really love the material, and of course this is a very very reasonable price. I would say cheapest, definitely. So this had colors. So my husband picked black and one off white. Let me show the off white now. This is the off white color he picked for himself. So this is again was around like 250 to 300. I don't remember, actually I think 250 rupees. So this one again he took for himself. Definitely a reasonable purchase. If you're going to buy this outside, or these two pants will somewhere cost around like 2000 to 2500. Then he got a shorts for himself. So this is the shorts he got, a black one, and this is around 200 rupees. Yeah, this was around 200 rupees, a cotton shorts. So you can just see the elastic. Okay, they have good elastic and a knot here, and it's a cotton again. So these are all good cotton pants and shorts. So really a good one. And of course for 200 rupees we can go for it. We would not be getting it anywhere around 200 rupees, definitely. Let's see this t-shirt. Okay, it's just 100 rupees. It's plain t-shirt and just 100 rupees. Definitely we were like surprised, and it is a good cotton material. So you can just see the material, it's like good cotton material. And how can we leave this? So you can just see this. And this again was 100 rupees along with that orange t-shirt we took, and definitely you can see the designs, okay, and the material, good cotton material. Okay, and we really loved it. For 100 rupees to get a good cotton t-shirt, definitely cheapest, I would say. So these were few products which we bought from small shops in and around Spencer Plaza. So next we went to Zudio. So let me show you what we got from Zudio. So the first product from Zudio is this pant. So this pant was purchased by my husband. So you can just see it's a very casual cotton pant which men can wear. So this is a cotton material, okay, and they have an elastic here. It's a elastic, they have given elastic and a knot, of course. So this was around say 399 rupees. Of course, getting a good pant, okay. So this pant costing 399 was very very reasonable. And there were lots and lots of designs and colors on the same category. So I'll show you the next one. So here same kind of pant but in a different shade was also purchased by my husband, and this again is also a cotton material. So you can just see good cotton material, okay. This is also 399 rupees, and it has a good elastic, okay, and of course a knot and a button. They also have a button, okay, they also have a button here. So and elastic material with a knot. So these two costed each 399, and I felt it was very very reasonable, and of course very good for the summer. Definitely we need some good cotton materials to wear, and it would definitely serve the purpose. And this was a shorts that was purchased by my husband. Okay, night shorts kind of. It's not a boxer, but it's kind of a shorts. So it's cotton material, from thin cotton material. So definitely it's going to be a good choice during the summer. It has good elastic. You can just see the elastic here. And this was costing around 199 rupees. Definitely a reasonable price at 199 for a shorts. I would say I would go for it. So that's why my husband got one for him. So this is a kind of a loose shirt, crop top kind of a shirt, which you can use with a high waist jean or jegging or any kind of pants. It looks very very cool. So this was around 499, which I thought it was very reasonable. If I'm going to buy this from outside, definitely it is cost around 800, and I got this. Then I got a dress for myself. So you can just see this one piece dress. Okay, so this same kind of dress I saw in another shop. Okay, a bigger shop where they costed around like 1100 rupees, but here it was just 899 only. And you can just see they have good buttons here. It's a cotton, it's a pure cotton, and kind of button, it's a gray kind of off-white color. And you can see they have big buttons here, and it also comes with a belt. So 899, and I love this, so I wanted to get this with a white shoe or a sneaker. If you wear, then definitely this would look very cool. And these are few inners which I've got. So this costed around like 199 rupees. I felt okay, it was reasonable only. Three inners at one pack at 199 rupees. So I found it little reasonable only, of course. So I got these two. This is one of the pants which I got for myself. So this is kind of a jegging kind of material, okay. So this is a jegging, like I said, and you can just see the material, really good material. So this costed around 799 rupees. Guys, same kind of pants I've got from other big shops where it was like around 1100 rupees. Getting at 799 rupees, definitely I would say it is really a good deal, and I got one. So that was my Zudio shopping that was done. I wanted to show something special, so I kept it for the last. So this was one of my favorite which I got. You can just see the bag. Okay, so this bag I got it from Spencer only. So people who have seen my previous video where I showed shops with Spencer, so I would have showed you some shops with Kashmiri items, the emporiums which sells Kashmiri and Jaipur products. So I just popped inside the shop, and I wanted to get a bag. I wanted to get this type of bag. I was looking for a very long time. I thought it would be very costly, so that was the reason I did not buy this for a long time. Because see guys, it has so much of detailing. So you can just see this. Okay, so they have that bead work here. You can just see the stone work. So they also have the stones here, stones. And you can see these beads and kind of pom-pom things. Really a good one. So behind, this is one design, and see here behind they have another design here. You can just see it's full of stones. It's full of stones here. If you are really good at maintaining it, it will last for a long. And it is full of embroidery also. So you can see these embroidery works as well. So guys, I got this, and inside there is, let's see how big it is. Okay, so it's pretty big only. Okay, just if you're going for shopping, definitely you can take this. And there's one compartment here. They don't have a zipper, but just you can keep your mobile, and just one zipper, that's it. So here I went for shopping, and I wanted to get a bag. So I saw the shop, okay, this emporium, and I just went inside it, and I asked him the price. This was, the shopkeeper told me it was around like 600 or 650. He said 650, yes, 650. And I told him if it's 250 rupees I will buy. Then finally he came up to 300 rupees. And trust me guys, this beautiful bag, I got it for 300 rupees only. Definitely you will not get it anywhere outside. If you are going to go check it, you have to at least pay 1500 for this bag. So you see, such a big bag, and he gave me for 300 rupees. Definitely a reasonable cheap price, definitely I would say, and the quality is really good. And I love this. Among our shopping, I love this one a lot. So all the shopping together, it was around, it came around not more than 7,000 rupees, guys. So 2,700 in the first shop, then 3,000. Not even 6,700, 7,000 range only. So this is my Spencer shopping haul and unboxing video. Please like my channel, subscribe, and of course share it with your friends. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do support me. Leave your comments on what you feel about these products and how cheap it is. Thank you so much.